breeding for me. God love them. So they two are going to build a nest there. I've got a spare nest pan there, so I'll set it up. I'll give them a chance to start building their nest first. Oh, he's up for approval again in a bit. She approved to go there in a bit. I'll let them get a start in their nest so it's like formed when I lift it and put it into the nest pan. They're going to make beautiful babies. Sunrise and Bruno there over in the back. That's Mummy. You can see the shine in her tail. Bruno's the same colour as his mum. He's more bronze. He's a bronze bald eagle. A bald headed. Wee bald eagle again. It's nice to see them coloured in there. Carla definitely is a hen. We picked the right one with Carla there because Eagle is very jealous and Eagle is a cock. Eagle's actions are very cock-like. So they are. But that's good. That means with the storm in autumn having a fertile egg, that means another bloodline coming into the hut. So that's brilliant. Brilliant. But they're all looking great. Champ, you can't get in video because Champ's on my shoulders. My breeding bunch,